Welcome everybody to the Family DIY channel. Have you ever been in your kitchen and found one of your drawers to be off at an angle like this and no longer sliding properly? Well, that is probably because the plastic guide in the back is broken. So today I'm going to show you how to replace the plastic guide. So stick around. So I picked up one of these yellow plastic guides. You can pick them up on Amazon, and I have a link in the description below. Just make sure when you're picking out the right one, you get the right measurement for the drawer that you need. You can also swing by your local hardware store to pick one up as well. So let's open it up and get this installed. So the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to have to take the drawer out. So let's take out all the extra things and random toys that your kids leave in all your drawers. I'll take this out. You can see that is definitely broken up. So we're going to go ahead and bring it into the workshop and get this fixed. All right, so now that we're in the workshop, one of the things you need to do is figure out where the center piece is. I've already had this break in the past for me, so I've actually already marked a line here with a pencil, but you want to measure between them and find the exact center piece, because that is where you're going to want this thing lined up. So you're going to first take off the old one. And then the trick is, if you're going to go to a hardware store, this is an easy way. Just bring it with you and line it up, and you'll be able to see it matches up with the existing one, or you can always just measure it. So now let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, inside the kit, you're going to get some screws, and you're going to get 2 of these, which is great because you're always going to break one. So do not throw out the other one, because give it a week, the next drawer is going to break. So what we're going to do now is open up the screws. And then here's a little quick tip. If you look right here, this is exactly where you want to line up the center. So if you can see right here, I have the center mark, and you want to make sure it is lined up properly with the original center, just like so. So now I'm going to use my trusty tools, line it up, and then screw it on in. Hopefully a little better than that. Okay, let's just get the other one in before we fully tighten it. All right, and of course, I almost forgot, we got to put one more down here. Perfect. So let's make sure it's nice and tight. All right, looking really good. So let me show it to you a little closer. All right, so as you can see here on the new guide, it has a little center mark here. This is where I drew my pencil line to make sure that we're in the center on here, because that's where the rail is going to be going. And then we're going to get the 3 screws in here to make it nice and tight. And then just don't forget, save the extra hardware for when this eventually breaks again, or one of your other drawers breaks, because guaranteed this will happen again at some later point. So let's go ahead and put it back into the drawer area and see if it works. All right, so now we're back in the kitchen. We're going to go ahead and line this back up. One-handed is very difficult. Okay, so as you can see here, you can see where the metal bracket is. You're just going to slide that right on, and then push it all the way back. And your drawer works again. So if you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give us a good thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can follow along with all of our future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.